Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Suirwapin token. That is the name of the token, all one word, and also the ticker symbol. Now obviously this token is having to do with the Sui blockchain, real world assets, RWA, and Depin, and that's all in the name and the ticker symbol of the token. And this token, it was just announced, is getting a very big central exchange listing starting tomorrow, May 15th. And we're going to go over the information on this token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token has a web page, rwadepin.io. Over there you could find a full document section, all sorts of socials. Now this token, although it mentions SWI in the name of the token and the ticker symbol, this is an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain that you could find on Etherscan. And they have a Telegram you can follow at RWA Depin Protocol that has over 32,000 members on there. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here as usual so you guys can easily find this project. And on their webpage you can find a marketplace, launchpad, documents, blog articles, staking, products, socials, login, sign up section, all sorts of stuff on the webpage there. And besides that, this token, it was just announced, is getting a very big central exchange listing. Starting tomorrow, May 15th at 11 a.m. UTC time, this token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, and you would search the ticker symbol SUIRWAPIN, all one word, and then simply just buy the token. Now, there's a total supply of 1,080,100,000 tokens, and this token here, says here, Hydro, the RWA Depin Protocol. That's the name of the project. And it says the next gen RWA tokenized Depin platform, redefining wealth management. Unlock the power of real world assets, combining Ethereum's liquidity with the power and low fees of SWI. Access exclusive top tier investment opportunities starting from just $100. Now, Hydro, the RWA Depin Protocol, is a revolutionary platform at the intersection of traditional finance and blockchain technology, designed to reshape how investments are accessed and managed. By leveraging the power of tokenization, RWA Depin Protocol provides a transparent, secure, and inclusive ecosystem where investors can seamlessly interact with real-world assets. Built on a foundation of innovation, RWA Depin Protocol aims to eliminate inefficiencies, reduce barriers to entry, and democratize access to opportunities that were once reserved for institutional players. With a focus on accessibility, even retail investors can participate in high-value markets such as real estate, art, and commodities, starting with minimal capital. The platform is more than just a marketplace for tokenized assets. It represents a paradigm shift in financial accessibility. By bridging the gap between the traditional and digital economies, RWA Depin Protocol empowers individuals to diversify their portfolios, protect their wealth and benefit from the stability of tangible investments. As the financial landscape continues to evolve, RWA Depin protocol stands at the forefront, leading the charge towards a decentralized, equitable, and innovative-driven future. Are you ready to explore? So it says, dive into a world of Hydro, the RWA Depin protocol, with insights into our RWA marketplace, and the utility token is the Suirwapin token. So the token's utility here says the Suirwapin token is the beating heart of the RWA Depin protocol ecosystem, designed with precision to offer holders unparalleled financial advantages, utility, and growth potential. In a world where tokenomics often favor speculative trading, Suirwapin sets itself apart by focusing on sustainability, community empowerment, and long-term value creation. So Suirwapin isn't just a digital asset, it's the key to unlocking a revolutionary ecosystem where traditional investments meet blockchain technology. By holding and using Suirwapin, users gain access to a wealth of features that enhance their financial experience, from zero fees to instant payouts to staking rewards and governance rights. Crafted to meet the needs of both individual and institutional participants, Suirwapin integrates seamlessly into RWAPin's platform, ensuring accessibility and scalability. Every aspect of its design, from its deflationary mechanics to its robust staking program, aims to align user incentives with a broader access to the ecosystem. Whether you're looking for passive income, investment flexibility, or opportunities to participate in governance of the cutting-edge platform, Suirwapin is built to deliver. But what truly sets it apart is its commitment to empowering holders. With loyalty-based rewards, buyback guarantees, and a tiered system that grows alongside your investment, Suirwapin transforms token ownership into a dynamic and rewarding experience. As the RWA Depin ecosystem continues to expand, this token stands poised to lead the way, offering its holders unmatched value in a rapidly changing financial landscape. Now, what can you do with the token utility-wise? The use cases are fee reductions, priority access, boosted returns, early payouts. Now, there's also staking for infrastructure, ecosystem rewards, and tiered loyalty system. It's got deflationary dynamics. There's a buyback program, burn mechanism, buyback guarantees, and comprehensive insurance. And there's integration into governance rights for token holders. So go check this token out. rwadepin.io is the main webpage that's going to have all the links over there. And you can find this token newly listed on Mexc Global as of tomorrow. So make sure you check out all the referral codes in the description box, especially that Mexc Global one. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.